Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokotjan channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What's your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now.
62. The cautious captain of a small ship had to go along a coast with which he was unfamiliar, so he tried to find a qualified pilot to guide him. He went ashore in one of the small ports where his ship stopped, and a local fisherman pretended that he was one because he needed some money. The captain took him on board and let him tell him where to steer the ship. After half an hour, the captain began to suspect that the fisherman did not really know what he was doing or where he was going, so he said to him, "Are you sure you are a qualified pilot?" "Oh, yes," answered the fisherman. "I know every rock on this part of the coast." Suddenly there was a terrible tearing sound from under the ship. At once the fisherman added, "And that's one of them." Find out the best title for the story. If you find it useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you.